Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
Ready to cut? Right behind us, we got the J promoter car. This is the Ford Mustang GT 2014. We've got some rainbow tips to display the level of homosexuality.
Anyways, guys, so it's been a couple days since I put on my axle back, homemade custom axle back, 4-inch burnt tips. I generally haven't really seen burnt tips on a Mustang. I'm sure they sell them, but it's more like 350Zs, import cars that I see burnt tips on. So this is definitely something a little different. Leave a comment down below what you guys think, how they turned out. They're not perfect. I might have a couple tweaking to do on that side to line it up a little better, but for right now it's fine. Sounds good. There's no rattling anymore. The exhaust note is now obviously behind the car opposed to being underneath the car, so there's not a drone anymore, so it's perfect for daily driving. But at the same time, if I want to open it up, it's definitely a lot louder. All right, give a little start up. Definitely sound pretty good. What do you think?
Definitely sound is on point.
Yeah, so $80 is all I spent. I bought the tubing from AutoZone, two 45-degree bends on each per side, so two 45-degree bends, and an 18-inch straight tube that is 2.5 inches wide in diameter. That's pretty cheap. Obviously, I'd buy 2 clamps and 2 tips, so that was really cheap. It definitely beats the $250 that you would spend for a muffler delete kit, you know. So if you guys have a welder, have the skill to fab it up yourself, I definitely recommend doing it because it sounds great and it looks really damn good for fuck half the price. Good old Auto Shack, here to see our buddy Michael, sponsored by AutoZone, because I bought my my exhaust from AutoZone, basically. I told them it was sponsored by AutoZone because this is AutoZone exhaust, basically. Yeah, I'm gonna put an AutoZone sticker on the back.
My reaction.
Ollie! You like it?
Yeah, actually looks really fucking good.
Big as fuck, right?
That's sick. I think they look really decent. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god. It's louder whenever you rev it, but at idle, it's a clean idle, and then like also whenever I have my windows up, there's no drone anymore because it's not underneath the car. So
That's true.
It's like a perfect daily exhaust, I think.
Yeah, you even got the hangers on there and everything. That's legit.
So as you can see, Mike definitely approves of it. I approve of it. I want to know if you guys approve of it. Leave a comment down below on what you guys think. It was only $80. You can't beat it. I mean, I can just bolt these off and bolt my stock ones back on whenever. Not that I'm going to, but if I have to, or when I do end up selling this car or anything, I can put those back on. Nothing's been molested with this car. So yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to do. Is I want to do this car, keep it dayliable. It's more of a budget build in a sense. Definitely not dayliable modifications. We'll be going towards my other car, the New Edge. If you guys are new and just now tuning in, I also have another Mustang. It is a 2003 Mustang GT New Edge. It's cammed, got long tube headers, full exhaust, FXR 531 wheels, lowered. bunch of modifications. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button because I post my majority of videos about that car. So hit that subscribe button. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Keep on keeping on.